Okay, we're back, and I've got the main shaft basically assembled and installed. Bracket for the bearing has been torqued with an impact wrench. That's what they wanted you to do. I did that. You see, I've drove in the counter shaft onto the middle bearing, I should say, and it's seated itself properly, and got the right clearance there. Got sliders here and here. Got the input shaft, and by the way, the bearing was a lot easier to put in. I forgot it actually just goes in quite easy with just forcing with your hands. So anyway, that's where I am, and I've installed the shift forks. 3 and 4 isn't attached with shift fork rod, but 1 and 2 is, and there you can see it's moving slider back and forth. Yeah, I mean, it takes a little bit of effort. There we go, and there we go. So it pops right back. And I'll be putting in the auxiliary shaft next. But what's important to know are the D-dent balls which go into these, and they track on the shift rods. And what is important in the right orientation, in the right order, are these D-dent pins, 1, 2, and that one goes into, I think it's shift forked 3 and 4, and I'll show you where that goes. These are important. Long one goes in first, the short one goes in after. I think it's the 3rd and 4th shift fork goes into place, and where they go is in this hole right here. They slide down there. You can see that hole right there. It was a pain in the ass to do the first time I tried it, just to see if they would fit. I had to take a drill and carefully just kind of ream it out a little bit at the edges so it would drop in a lot easier. Make sure you apply lubricant to get them in there. And yeah, it's looking good, spinning freely. So yeah, I am I'm moving along. If I didn't to do this video, it would be done. It's a handheld camera. I keep repeating that, so it's a bit of work thinking about how to move from one video to the next. Like I said, I can't demonstrate a lot because I only have this handheld camera, and when I set it into a tripod, I'm not getting the kind of quality of picture that I want. So anyway, that's it. And till the next one, right on.